Alright, so I got this situation right here. I don't know, I put the dryer in my car, right over there, and I noticed that when I try to salt it, like particles fall out, you see that? I want to know that can get inside. So I'm all hooked up, let you guys know. So right on this. It's kind of warm still, but look how much these motherfuckers, man. Not in the real fun. Maybe I should have made this. Oh, what the fuck does that mean? The particles went through. Like, it doesn't look so bad, but take this out. I don't know. I think they should be like, it does seem contaminated. I'm sure it was never replaced, but it doesn't look so bad. Like maybe now what I was pulling out, so it, I don't know. I think it's kind of busted my AC in my car. The compressor, because the expansion valve had the problem too. I don't know. So as I was making the video, it was maybe about 1.5 years ago, I got to install the new dryer. I replaced the expansion valve, and I also did a rebuild my own the compressor without any popsicles in any of the pipes. And I also saw that the condenser doesn't have any way it could like pass through the condenser, so the evaporator could not get any popsicles. Anyway, the AC is blowing cold as a motherfucker right now. So that's about it. Enjoy. Replace your dryers, homies.